Good morning, guys. It's Emmanuel once again, and we are here for our daily cipher. Okay, so without wasting time, how do we do daily cipher? For the newbie here, we tap here, and when you do that, this big button where this balls is staying, we turn to red, and then you know we are ready for daily cipher. Let's do that. Okay, so the daily cipher button has been activated. So just like I usually say, this Morse code will be valid until 8 p.m. Nigerian time today. So you have all the time in the world to do it. So without wasting much time, what are we spelling today? What is the Morse code for today that will give us this 1 million coin for free? What is the Morse code for today? Well, the Morse code for today can be found in my group, and the answer is born. Born, okay? So we are spelling born. Okay, so how do we move about it? We are as caution, we use our chat box. This chat box will decode any letter we are spelling on each day for us. Okay, so let's activate it. We are going to leave it like this. So the first letter in born is letter B. So how do we spell letter B? Okay, so letter B is spelled as, look at letter B. This is letter B, and it's spelled as dash dot dot dot. You hold your phone, you release, then you tap dash dot dot dot. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so we hold, release, 1 2 3. Okay, letter B has been activated. So the next letter in born is B-U, letter U. So how do we spell letter U? And this is letter U. Letter U is spelled as dot dot dash, dot dot dash. Tap your phone, bam bam 2 times, then hold long and release. Okay, dot dot dash. Let's do that. Okay, letter U is dot dot dash. Okay, so the next letter is letter R. Letter R. Please, if you are new to this YouTube page, I will be happy if you subscribe and turn on the bell notification, because this video you are seeing, we do it every morning, every day. Okay, so for you not to miss out, you subscribe, turn on the bell notification, and put it in all, so that once I do any video, you will get it. And I can promise you that all the content in this YouTube page is valuable. We don't play here. There is time for play. Everything we do here is valuable. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's move on to letter R. So how do we spell letter R? Where's R? So this is R. Okay, so we spell it with dot dash dot. Okay, dot dash dot. So let's do that. Tap, hold, tap. So dot dash dot. So dot dash dot. Okay, ball has been spelled. Then the last but not the least letter is letter N. Letter N. How do we spell letter N? Okay, so this is letter N, and it's very short. It's spelled as dash dot. You hold your phone, release, then tap on your phone, and you're done for the day. So let's do that. Dash dot. So dash dot, and that is letter N, guys. And we have completed the spelling of the letters. So what do? You click here to take your prize. Let's do that. And we have taken our prize. So please, that will be the end of today's video. I will catch you tomorrow on the next one. Please like and share this video to your friends and family who are mining hamster so that they can do it. And please, as I've said earlier, turn on the bell notification. Make sure you subscribe so that more video will be coming out. Thank you very much. Have a nice one. Bye bye.